Now I made plans to do things that would take me real far. It was on my plan that these things, they would make me a star. That they would give me the cheese and the keys to Mars. Picture me rolling in the Alps with skis on my car, with a chick that I can squeeze, and yeah, she squeezes my arm. She likes the weed and she's sweet until you deep in the scars. And then she's keying your car, she's copy keys to your car. She's on top of it with 2 feet and she's beating it hard. Like rock stars, beat amps and guitars. She's going postal with a bat, leaving chips, dents and marks. She's beating it to parts, turning it